All right. Where's my video? Whatever. Okay, you start here at regular Skyward stuff. You're like, oh, look, I have to log in just like normal. Excellent. Trick here is that you're going to come down to My Conference Scheduler. Sometimes you go to these other things, but just skip it. Go to My Conference Scheduler. Here's your Parent-Teacher Conference tab. You got all these options over here. Add a single time slot? No. Delete? No. Mass add. That's what you want to do. Mass add a time slot. Kind of look at this and you take a look at your schedule and what you're going to do. Let's say you want to set up some time for Friday. 9:18, low and high. What time would you like me to start? Maybe 5 in the morning. That way I can get lots of parents that are busy throughout the day. Anyway, let's say I do noon, right? And I go to 3:30 p.m. How long do you want your conferences each to be? 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 8 minutes? I just go with 5 because, I'm pretty slow or pretty chatty on the phone. It goes real fast, that's what I'm saying. You got to pick a building. We happen to be in building number 707. That is Harriman High. You can choose a room, but this time it won't make much difference. I'm in room 1304. And you have entities. Now, if you'll notice, I have Copper Hills, Riverton, and Harriman. It's because I have some online kids that show up from these other places. So I'm going to leave it at all entities. You may need to choose Harriman if that's the only option there. And then mass add and close. Done. Come over to your calendar now. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see there's today, there's Friday. Got all these options on Friday. You're like, hey, Brent, good job. You're not doing anything extra, but there it is. Well done, amigo. And that's all you have to do to schedule some stuff, schedule some time slots for parent-teacher conferences. You would send out notes to the parents, emails that said, hey, I'm available on these days, and whatever. If you got to see next week, just click this little button, go over to next week. You can add stuff whenever you want to visit. Make yourself available. It can be evening times, whenever you want. Looks like you can go all the way up until 8:57 p.m. You may be able to change it. Maybe you can go all the way till midnight for those of you like, Mr. Ball, who obviously stay up too late. All right. Have a good time, guys.